Let's introduce this mini compilation with an accident. For example, you're driving in traffic, you have to watch out for cars stop. You're flying as a Canada Goose, you have to watch for jet planes. Traffic is stopped in the left lane, but this Canada Goose and the Kia Seltos didn't pay attention.
Oh my.
What happened? Accident? No. Oh. Did they hit each other? Oh yeah, it is. Turn to the left. Yeah, they hit each other.
Oh.
And that.
What happened was, this Canada Goose and the Kia Seltos tried to avoid a rear-end collision of the Acura MDX, only to end up scratching the right bottom corner. Both of these cars proceeded on their ways, which means no cops were involved. What you're about to witness are two Rocky Dove Pigeon street racers coming up on your right to race in a pigeon romantic fashion.
Oh my God! What the? What?
Motherfucker.
Oh, that's why nagre-race?
These Rocky Dove pigeon couples are racing in a pigeon fly race.
Oh my God, look at this.
What happened?
Howdy.
Pero may kinapli, mag-i-screen ako sa banda yung
Make a U-turn with traffic approaching. Stupid.
Ay, pahingat ka chat.
Now for some light road rage. It all begins with Namo, the northern goshawk in the Toyota Prius behind me, who is gonna turn left while I was also waiting to turn left patiently for these pedestrians to clear. When there was this BMW 5 Series going to turn right and I waited, this is what happens.
Okay, we're going.
Now for the rear footage. Both Namo and I exchanged gestures. I gave him WTF, he raised his hand, and after I flipped him off, he pulls up alongside me to contemplate on starting trouble. It turns out, Namo the northern goshawk and I just stare each other down because he's driving for Uber, he's carrying an Uber passenger, he doesn't want to risk losing his Uber job. Let's conclude this compilation with one of those tricky situations. I'm driving on the left lane and I wanted to change over to the right lane. I do my usual, put the signal on, check my side mirrors, blind spot, rearview mirrors, and the coast is clear at first until something happened out of the blue as I started to change lanes.
Napangitom ng uniform. Imaw, pagkahirap iba yun.
Well, you didn't give signal.
Who?
The car behind.
Oh.
I gave signal.
Okay, that's good.
Apparently, just as I started to move over to the right lane, she sped up in a desperate attempt to get around me at the same time. Now she is pissed into the fact that she's tailgating me intermittently. Let's do a breakdown to see how this unfolds. Yes, you guys may critique me that I cut her off and that I should have moved back. But the point is, I put on my signal, checked my mirrors, blind spot, and then as I moved over, she started speeding up, changed lanes at the same time with no signal. I didn't see a single light. She sped up, so she has some shit to cry about. If you watch carefully, after going under the train bridge, I was already changing lanes halfway. The center of car is my rear windshield wiper, as she was still in the middle of changing lanes. So this was a simultaneous lane change.
Fingerman, I heard about you.
This concludes for this video. Click on the bell, like, comment, subscribe for more thrilling content to come up. Thank you for watching this clip. Goodbye.